some errands, so I'm gonna take you with me today. Chatty-Ness, welcome to my channel. I'm back, but this time I'm outside doing stuff. I'm trying to make it more interesting, y'all. So today I am going to put that wig on that I was telling y'all about. You see I got my straight to the backs. I did it myself, so I'm happy about that. My hair's long enough now so I can do me some straight to the backs. And yeah, so I'm gonna put the wig on today, and I'm gonna mist it with the water, and I'm going to put the mousse in it and see if I can bring the curls that it was supposed to have when it came to me, to see if it can get those curls in there today. So I just gotta run some errands first, and then I'm supposed to be cooking curry chicken tonight, so I have to go get some ingredients. I got most of the ingredients in my house, but I have to go get a couple more things that I'm lacking. So I'm going to Sam's Club now, and once I go to Sam's Club, then from there I'm gonna go to Walmart, and then I'm gonna head back. And then while the chicken is simmering, I'm gonna do the video about the wig, so y'all can see the wig, because I haven't done it yet. I've been reluctant to, because if them curls don't come in that wig, I'm gonna be very upset, because I paid $100 and some for that wig. That wig better have some kind of curls in it by the time I'm finished. But I said I was gonna start doing more stuff like this, like taking y'all with me while I do my little errands. I was gonna do a video the other day on my way to work, but then I was like, you're just gonna be on the video with me on my way to work, so that, to me, that just didn't make any sense. I usually listen to music on my way to work, so, or either talk to my son on FaceTime. But I don't know, I might do a video, make it interesting. I might do a video. It's nasty out here today, y'all. It's raining. Every time it's my day off, it's never really nice out. It's either really cold or it's raining. I just want it to be one day that I'm off and the weather is really nice, so I can enjoy the weather. But yeah, so I hope that y'all enjoy this video. It's just like a little vlog, and just wanted to update y'all on my hair growth, because y'all see I got me some straight to the backs now, so I'm so happy about that. And my puff is getting bigger. I ran out of the L'Oreal oil, so I gotta order some more, but I have my other oils that I mix together myself, so I'm just gonna have to use that for now, and then we'll see. But I really like the L'Oreal because it got me to straight to the backs now, so I'm happy. So big up to L'Oreal for that one. I'm gonna keep on giving them the credit for that one, because that was the most hair growth I saw so far yet. Of all the stuff I've been trying, the L'Oreal is the only one that I've seen instant results like that, quick. And right now, I'm trying so hard to grow my hair fast, and it's growing pretty fast now that I'm looking at it, and now that I'm able to do all this stuff with it. But I want it to be like hang time long, so I can do more stuff, because I have so many styles I want to do and I can't do them yet. So, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there slowly but surely. And I know straight to the backs, if I constantly do that, excuse me, my wipers are going off, y'all. But if I keep doing it straight to the backs and putting the oil in my hair, I'm sure my hair's gonna grow fast, because I'm gonna try to leave these in for at least a week and a half to 2 weeks. I don't know if it's gonna last that long, but if I have to touch it up here and there, I will. But oh my God, I wish these wipers would stop already. So yeah, so if I can just get it to grow to like at least another 2 inches, then I'll be able to do everything I want to do. So yeah, so I'm just so happy though. I couldn't believe I was able to get the straight to the backs today, and they nice and thick. It's not like some little skinny straight to the backs, because I was gonna try to do that like maybe 3 weeks ago. I was gonna try to do the little skinny straight to the backs, but then I was like, I don't really like little skinny straight to the backs. I'd rather them be thick like this. And right now I got 5, but when I can get 4 on this side and 4 on that side, instead of 5 on this side and 5 on this side, then I know that my hair is where I need it to be, because that'll be 8 straight to the backs, So I'm really excited about that, and it's coming. It's coming. I'm gonna get it. Y'all see, I'm determined. I am determined for my hair to grow before the summer get here. I'm determined for my hair to be a good length. So I'm doing everything possible for that to happen, because I'm not trying to walk around this summer looking bald-headed with no little tiny little puff or no little tiny little afro. You got to be really, you know, summertime cute. You know, you got to have your hair together. You got to have your clothes together. I already got my clothes together. Now I got to get my body right. Because, you know, I gained a little weight, which I was trying to do. But now it's like I want to make sure it's going where it's supposed to go. I mean, it's not all crazy or nothing yet, but I don't want it to get there. So I need to start toning up and doing the stuff I need to do, because I see the gain weight. Even in my face, I see that my face picked up weight and everything. So I'm happy about that, because I didn't like the fact that I was so skinny. I was skinny my whole life, and then I finally had some weight, and then I got sick. And when I got sick, I lost all that weight. So that was a lot. I lost almost 100 pounds. That was a lot of weight, because I was 210 and I went down to like 110. So that was 100 pounds. And I was skinny, and I don't ever want to be that skinny again. So I got to keep this weight up. I've been trying to eat and trying to make sure I get all my meals in. I was taking Boost Plus at first, but then I stopped doing that. I just started eating, because then now my appetite is where it's supposed to be, because I'm getting better and better as the months go by. I'm healing, and I'm just really happy that, you know, my health is good. So I'm gonna take y'all with me, and we're gonna go pick up some items. I'm just gonna basically try to get through this day without it going by so fast, because I only get 2 days off, and it look like they go so quick that I don't even get a chance to enjoy them. So I'm gonna try to enjoy these 2 days. I spent my last 2 days cleaning up my whole house. This time I'm just gonna straighten up a little bit, and then I'm gonna cook my curry chicken. And tomorrow I gotta go to the doctor, so that's gonna take up most of my day. But yeah, I gotta go this way. Oh, I was gonna say, of course they wouldn't have no more, because I need it. Let me get another one of these just in case. But yeah, this is what I usually put in my curry chicken. And I put this in my curry chicken. Okay. This is aisle 10. Aisle 6 is that way. No! He almost bust his ass, y'all. That's what he get for being on that thing. Lazy people getting on that thing. I know that man don't need to be on that thing. He almost tipped over on the little automated, that little shopper cart thing that people be riding around in the store in.
Yeah, from when we went shopping.
That was funny. That wouldn't have been funny if he tipped over though, but it was funny. So that's basically what I needed out of here. Now I gotta go to Sam's Club. Okay, so I'm not gonna keep y'all on the video. I'm gonna start the video again when I get to Sam's Club. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm in Sam's Club now. I'm in Sam's Club. I'm picking bananas, because I give bananas to my baby Nyla, to my dog. Every morning she has a banana after she eats her breakfast. I try to get 2 bunches. I get a bunch that's ripe and a bunch that's not really ripe yet. That way it can last her the whole week. It's small today. Yeah. It's crowded in here today. I'm gonna get me some croissants. Nala eat croissants too in the mornings after her breakfast. She thinks she's human, so get a bag of shrimp. There. Oh, excuse me, y'all. I wish I could have slept in late, but then it's like when I sleep in late, my whole day gets away from me. And then I feel like I didn't have a day off. And this is the kind of rice I get. Oh man, it's a line. Let me go this way. This is my cart, y'all. I'm about to go to checkout. So I'm gonna need both my hands. So I'm gonna have to stop the video again. And then I'll start it back up again once I do the wig thing. It's hot in here, y'all. So y'all gonna have to excuse my little shiny face. Bye.
I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't like it. Oh, I've been with